Let's be honest, friends, good rice, well, that makes everything better. And with these Panasonic rice cookers, you don't just get perfect rice, but you also get a whole multi-cooker that does soup, slow cooking, steaming, even cakes. Panasonic's new rice and multi-cookers come in two sizes, the 5-cup and the 10-cup. So whether you're cooking for one or a whole crowd, you can choose. Now, what makes these special? First of all, you've got 10 auto menus, not just for rice, but for steaming, for soups, slow cooking, cakes, and even waterless cooking. Now, let's talk about the rice settings because Panasonic has really thought about the details here. There are dedicated modes for quinoa, brown rice, and multigrain, and each one is designed to get perfect results for that specific grain. So whether you want fluffy jasmine rice or hearty, nutty brown rice, just press a button and it's done. And this is a big one, guys. So waterless cooking, you might have heard me mention that right up in the beginning, but this is where the magic happens. Instead of adding water, it uses the moisture from the food itself, which means you get ultra flavorful, nutrient-packed meals. Think juicy chicken thighs, rich tomato-based dishes, anything with a bit of natural moisture. I recently made a Moroccan chicken dish using the waterless function and it was amazing. So not only that, there's fuzzy logic, which makes sure that the temperature and cooking times are adjusted every time so your rice is perfect. There's also 3D heating. So heat comes from the lid, sides, and the bottom to cook everything evenly. And the rice pot itself inside, so it's binchotan charcoal coated. So that gives you enhanced heat efficiency and also makes sure cleaning up is a breeze. And if you're like me and you love prepping ahead, the delayed timer setting lets you set it in the morning and come home to fresh, steaming meals in the evening. Now, if you're looking for even more versatility, this is another option for you. So it's a 5-cup rice and multi-cooker. It does have all those same great features I mentioned before, plus 16 auto menus, including oil-free cooking, perfect for things like salmon or other naturally oily foods. It also has a removable stainless steel inner lid for easy cleaning and a small dial on the top here so you can quickly switch between rice and cooking modes. So if you want foolproof rice and a multi-cooker that takes the guesswork out of dinner, these Panasonic models have you covered. Honestly, once you try one, you'll wonder how you ever lived without one.